Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
International Institute of Information Technology-Naya Raipur and NTPC signed an MoU to explore and work for co-innovation in the field of predictive maintenance asset management solutions by establishing a center of excellence named IIIT-NR-COE on predictive maintenance, which is intended to prove. Broadly, IIIT-NR will provide necessary expertise and training on the state-of-the-art technologies like Industry 4.0, Internet of Things, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, 5G communication, etc. In predictive maintenance, an NTPC will provide the necessary field data, validation for research project, and also research fellowship internship consultancy towards development. The MoU will enable activities such as mutual visits by officers of NTPC and IIIT faculties and students for discussion on the collaborative projects, and conducting joint brainstorming sessions, training, hackathons and workshops. The collaboration will also facilitate the technology development and will look into plans to scale up the prototypes and technologies coming out of this collaboration for Industry 4.0 and predictive maintenance. The MoU was signed by Lieutenant Colonel Rajesh Kumar Mishra, Registrar, IIIT-NR, and Manish Kumar Srivastava, Executive Director, Engineering, in the presence of Ujjwal Kanti Bhattacharya, Director, Projects, NTP, and Chilkapti Sivakumar, Regional Executive Director, WR2USSC. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.